The grip is incredible.
The best mat I've ever had.
My favorite yoga mat.
Hi everyone, my name is Caroline and I purchased the Complete Grip Eco Yoga Mat. This mat has saved me on many occasions. I am always bopping around London filming at different studios. It's super light, it fits in any bag, you can fold it in lots of ways. The colour is absolutely gorgeous. The grip is incredible for those sweatier workouts, and I just love the eco story and the values behind the brand. So yeah, all in all, it is such a wonderful purchase and I am so glad I found Complete Unity Yoga.
I'm Christine, and today I would like to share with you some of my favourite bits about the Complete Unity Yoga Mat. It stays put even on carpet, and that is a big win when teaching sweaty vinyasa and high intensity yoga. From a professional point of view, that's pretty fantastic.
Hey everyone, it's Karen here. My favorite yoga mats I've been using now for several months. It's from Complete Unity Yoga. It is 4mm yoga mat, lightweight, easy to roll up. One of the other amazing features about it is the grip on it, so I can feel comfortable and confident during my yoga practice that I won't slip while using it. It's also ethically made, so it's made from a natural rubber and jute. I feel good about using it. Go check it out for yourself and visit Complete Unity Yoga.
Complete Unity Yoga.
Complete Unity Yoga.